Preparing for your baby's first sleepover with relatives can be both exciting and a little nerve-wracking. Here are some essential tips to help ensure a smooth experience for everyone involved. First, communication is key. Talk with your relatives about your baby's routine, including feeding times, nap schedules, and any specific needs or preferences. This will help them feel more confident and prepared. Next, pack a comprehensive overnight bag. Include enough diapers, wipes, and a change of clothes for each day, plus a few extras just in case. Don't forget your baby's favorite blanket or stuffed animal to provide comfort in a new environment. Consider writing a list of important information. This could include emergency contacts, your pediatrician's phone number, and any allergies or medical conditions your baby has. Having this information readily available can provide peace of mind for both you and your relatives. It's also a good idea to do a trial run. Spend a few hours at your relative's home with your baby to help them get accustomed to the new surroundings. This can ease the transition and make the actual sleepover less daunting. If your baby is bottle-fed, prepare enough bottles for the duration of the stay, along with instructions on how to warm them if necessary. For breastfeeding moms, consider pumping in advance to ensure there's an adequate supply. Finally, trust your instincts and your relatives. Remember, they love your baby too and will do their best to care for them. A sleepover can be a wonderful bonding experience for your baby and your family. With a little preparation and open communication, your baby's first sleepover can be a positive and enjoyable experience for everyone.